Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my tips and tricks on how to get your eyelashes super long and apply mascara like a pro. First things first, you want to get a good mascara. You're going to take that mascara wand and totally coat it with product. Then you're going to take that mascara wand and you're really going to work it into the base of your eyelashes like I'm doing here. This is going to make sure that each strand is equally coated with product, darken your lashes, and create an illusion that you have a thicker bed of lashes. Apply that mascara to your roots and then pull upward in a wiggling sort of motion. You really want to make sure that you are coating each and every eyelash. Don't be shy with this. Dip your wand into the mascara several times if you need to. Really make sure that you're getting all of that product on your mascara wand and then transferring that product onto each and every lash. That way you give the illusion of having a thicker bed of lashes. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I'm going back and forth between two different mascaras. I'm using two different mascara wands. So I would really encourage you ladies to find a mascara that you really like, find another one that you really like, and then use them both. Why choose just one? I'm just repeating the same process on my bottom lashes. I like to tilt my head down and look up. So that's another little tip of mine. Tilt your head down, look up into a mirror. That'll pretty easily expose your bottom lashes and make it easier for you to coat them with the mascara. Just like we did with the top lashes, start at the base, really pack that product, and then pull it down to the tips of the eyelashes. As you can see, I'm also getting those small little baby eyelashes that are at the very inner corner of my eye. I'm also spending time at those small baby lashes on the outer corner of my eye as well. I want to make sure that I'm coating the eyelashes all around my eye so that it looks like my entire eye is filled or covered with eyelashes. And I'm not sure if you can pick this up on the camera, but what I'm doing is I am pulling the eyelashes that are closest to the outer corner of my eye outward. I'm pulling the eyelashes that are in the center of my eye upward, so really lengthening those. And then the ones that are closest to the inner corner of my eye, I'm pulling those towards my nose. By pulling your eyelashes in those directions, it's going to give the illusion that you have more eyelashes than you actually do. And it's really going to make sure that your eyelashes are spread out in all sorts of directions and they're reaching for all different parts of your face. They're going to look super long and super full. I repeat this process several times and I pack lots of product onto my eyelashes. Alright ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe.